You know, when I came to Snowshow, they told me this is the most expensive material. This, the foam.
Yeah.
So when I wanted to cut the nose, they said, okay, but really small piece you can have. It's very hard to get. So I say, it's okay to cut. No, no. Just minimum piece. So I cut, but very small nose. So what is this nose? Make bigger. But you know, in Snowshow, the bigger the nose is more important. The clown.
Ah, that's why Robert has one bigger than his head.
Of course, it comes with the years. If you are every year, it's 1 centimeter growing. The nose.
But why is Tatya's got not such big nose?
Tatya? Because he's infantile, you know, it doesn't help.
It's missing some cards instead.